I think that mentors are really important for at the beginning of any business. At real beginning of Include 5 years ago, we didn't have some real mentors. Actually, at that point, I could say that probably my family were my mentors, and they were helping me with all the knowledge they had at that point. And maybe that is the process how the things needs to work and to go. Maybe at the beginning your friends and your family are going to be your best advisors and mentors, but after some time, when we started gaining recognition on local market here in Croatia, when we did first sales, make some revenue, started hiring first people, then probably you will also attract people who want to be a part of your business, not because they want to make money or something, but they just want to be a part of your story. And it can be, I don't know, people from local colleges, maybe some early investors, angel investors. For us, first real investors were first real advisors were our first investors actually. So actually in 2017, when we were closing first investment round, we met a few lead investors with who we are still in contact even today, almost on daily basis. So it's really regular, and they are helping us a lot about our business.
Finding a mentor and education could be tough, especially in today's world of information flowing everywhere. Our program will give you exactly what you need: mentorship, experience, and knowledge to start changing the world. You will be able to validate your idea, iterate, communicate with others, and even find a deeper problem to solve. We are looking for energy innovations. Even if you don't have a revolutionary idea that might change the world, the aim of this program is to advance your knowledge in the development of sustainable energy solutions. A solution that someday might become a business that is changing the world and changing the life of everyone surrounded by the impact of what was sometimes just an idea.